doing this for 1 week and then I come back like a noob. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy and I do beauty and lifestyle videos. If that's something you like, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So today I'm going to be doing the using the wrong brush challenge. I believe they are the first ones to do it. They're called SHAN and Shell. I'll put a picture here of their channel and I'll also link their YouTube channel below. Yeah, they're really nice, so you should definitely check them out. And so yes, let's just get on with the video. Okay, to start out with, I'm a bit clueless of how to go about this. Maybe eyebrows. What brush we use for eyebrows? I don't know if I just use face brushes or not for eyebrows, or is that pushing it? This is so stupid, but I'm gonna use a foundation brush for eyebrows. So I normally use an actual skinny eyebrow brush. I'm going to take my Revolution Pro Eyebrow Brow Duo powder. So where it has 2 shades, I can hear the birds singing. That's how early I am up. That's why. If my eyes are really puffy, that's why. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip into it, I suppose. Oh, I can already tell this is gonna go so bad. I'm just gonna tap into it a couple of times because nothing really come out that time. And just tap in. This reminds me of the no brushes challenge. And am I allowed to get a wet wipe to clean up the outside bit? I don't know. Will I? Probably. Oh my god, I look like a werewolf. Okay, I'm just gonna continue on with it. And I'm dipping into both shades. I normally use the cooler one. Just got a wet wipe so we can wipe this mess up. I literally look like a werewolf. I'm literally just gonna... Oh, this is so hard. Wipe it away. Because my eyebrows are really different. This one has less hair than this one. So I'd normally do like brush strokes with it. I think that is the best way to get with just the wet wipe. So next I'm going to do... should I do foundation? Might as well do foundation. I don't know how I'm going to do a lot with the eyes anyway. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. Just looks like that. I went to get a foundation brush. What brush should we use? So I'm gonna use the like concealer / eye base one, because I use this to blend out my P. Louise base. So yeah, probably gonna take me centuries to do that. It's just like a standard concealer brush. I'm just gonna apply it straight to my face like that, maybe. I wish I never did that because now it's gonna be hard to blend that out. Okay, this is going to take me ages. It's just going streaky.
One eternity later.
Gone really horrible. Sorry if I keep looking up. I'm still not used to the camera. But yeah, I'll show you if I can. Me. Can you see? Especially on my forehead. It's gone terrible, and even when I like try and blend it in, it just won't. It's just like going into the thing. Even look at my nose. The nose bit is the worst. So next, I think I'm gonna do concealer. Yeah, let's do concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna use concealer. Obviously, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in C1, but obviously it has that little loafer applicator. So I'm just gonna apply it with that. I'm running low on this. Okay, I'm just gonna use a blush brush. I don't know if I'm meant to be being nice to myself and giving me brushes that will actually work, but I just use completely wrong brushes. If I say wrong brushes, I don't think brushes really have their own thing, it's just what works for that bit. But this brush definitely, well actually, saying that, it's actually blended it out okay. It's blended out better than the foundation. For cream bronzer, because I normally do my cream bronzer with like this sort of brush, like a proper dense brush. So I decided I am going to do it with my powder. Well, it's a blusher brush. I'm not going to use this because I just used the blusher brush. I'm going to use this. Oh no, I'm going to use, no. Oh, there's so many that I use for different things. Yeah, okay, so this is my powdered bronzer brush. Just a big fluffy brush. Now in this for cream contouring, I don't think it's going to go well. I'm not too sure how it's going to go. So I'm just going to dip it in. I feel like it's going to go really messy. I'm just taking the Chanel bronzer thing. I think everyone knows what this is. So I'm just dipping it in. I'm scared to use a lot. Okay, ready. I'm gonna try. It hasn't really done much for my face. Oh well. For this, I'm going to use. I'm going to show you what I normally use first. I normally use a duo fibre brush. Okay, so I'm going to be taking. I think this isn't going to be easy. Well, I don't know what I'm meant to do, to be honest. Okay, I'm just going to take this. Yeah, I'm going to take my contour brush just because it's so stiff, and I normally use, as I said, my duo fibre brush, which is like loose and easy to blend. So I'm just going to take the MUA Blush Liquid Cream Blusher in Tiger Lily. I definitely need to get more shades of this, but they're all sold out online. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit. As you can see, it's just dotted it there, so I feel like I need to blend that into the whole brush. Normally I would go in with my sponge itself, but instead of sponge I'm going to take fingers and just try and dab it in. This blusher, if you don't look at it now because obviously it doesn't look good, but if you go back a couple of videos or go on my Instagram, it's Beauty by Nancey, by the way, I'll put it up somewhere. You'll see me use it properly, and it's so pretty, especially for summer. Okay, so next I think I'm going to take powder. So as I said, I would normally take a sponge, so I decided instead I am going to take, should I take this brush? I was going to take my fingers, so I'm just going to tap into my powder. Oh god. And then I'm just gonna make sure there's no lines and tap it in. going to switch things up a bit and I'm going to move on to eyes. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Revolution Fortune the Brave palette. I don't know. So I have these two. I'm just going to use these. Okay, so start off with, I'm going to take the smallest brush. No, I'm going to take the biggest brush and I'm going to take a transition shade. These did come with names, but I lost that little sheet. I nearly dropped it then. Okay, so I'm going to dip into this shade. I'm going to dip into this shade and this shade, the two like. Try not to get it everywhere. Okay, the eye doesn't look too bad. This brown colour, the dark brown colour, next there. And use this brush. It's a duo fibre eye brush. But I'm just gonna go into maybe this colour. Okay. And then I'm just gonna pack it on. Okay, it does not want to pack it on. Am I gonna bother putting lashes on? Probably not. I'm just gonna throw some mascara on. Just taking a Rimmel one. Just gonna, for powdered bronzer, I'm just gonna take a blending brush. Oh, this is gonna be so. Just gotta take my eyes to blend this out. So I'm gonna take this palette. It's a Revolution one, but I went to the Christmas set and I can't find it, so I don't think they sell it. I think it was limited edition for the Christmas set. But I'll find a colour that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use like this shade. So I'll find one that looks like that. Oh, I just put so much on it and I didn't even think. No, wait, blend some out. I'm just making it worse for myself. Why did I decide to do cream and powder? Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to take the Revolution Free Highlighter Palette. You know, that one where it has like the little things. I think I'm going to take the pink shade and I'm going to do that with my eyebrow brush. Lovely jubbly. I'm just gonna dip into it. I'll come close so you can see. I'll zoom you in so you can really see it. I'm using this one, by the way, because my other eyebrow brush isn't clean. It looks like I haven't put foundation there, but I really have. I put bronzer there too. Still trying to put this on my cheek. Okay, well you can see it there, but if you actually look at it, it's really crusty. I'm just gonna apply it to this side as well. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'll zoom you in so you can really like see everything. So that's the eyes. Oh, I so badly want to blend that in, but that's the cheek. Normally I'll go with powder along my actual cheek, so maybe I'll do that with my finger. So like, I normally do this with my sponge. Not that it's done much, but it just doesn't look good, so I don't know what I'm trying. The nose, yeah, fell. well, the eyes I would say is the best bit, even though like it's just turn into one big colour. So if you enjoyed this challenge, please give it a thumbs up, and if you do it, don't forget to tag me in it, because I love seeing videos like this, like challenge videos. Also don't forget to go watch just want to make sure I get their name right. I think it's SHAN and Shelly, something like that. You went too far. SHAN and Shell. I think it's SHAN and Shell. Make sure to go watch their video, subscribe to them, and if there's any videos that you want to see, don't forget to link them below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I do a makeup look every day, and I'll be having like videos where I include Instagram in it, like Instagram controls this or Instagram does this, so make sure to stay tuned on there so you can participate in that. And also, if you like, did I say that? I think I said that already. And also don't forget to subscribe to me, because it means the world, and I'm nearly at 200. I think I have, at this point I have 171, so I only need 29 more, so please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.